friends like how you get that lit. Same old me, but they think I switch. Fuck old friends, I don't know that bitch. Racks too big, can't fuck that shit.
Don't call that little ass place no estate. Unless you came with a pool in the gate. Check the red before I pull in the gate. All my watches flooded just like a lake. Lately I've been showing up extra late. Rich nigga take her on a cheap date. 4 for 4 when he's get her a plate. Love when these nuts all up in her face. She say wow, never met a nigga with dick in her house. Spitting them out, digging her out with a...
Sup, you punannies? Rocket ship.
Looking cleaner than usual.
Yeah, let me check it out.
Don't look up here.
Let me check it out. Sheesh. It's a bit toasty out today, guys. We're going to our first permitted meet
In SoCal.
in SoCal. It's supposed to be 500 plus. We'll see. What you think? 500 plus? Hey, Zach's bringing his gen out, bro. Sheesh.
He should just blow it there.
You might see tonight. You might see tonight.
Yeah, I got AAA, so.
Fucking bet. I'm gonna start getting ready, put my shoes on, and we're gonna meet up with the other boys very shortly here, very shortly. So I'll catch you all day. Alrighty, guys, we're just getting ready to leave. Let me smell some elote. Let me see you got the fucking harness all strapped up.
I'm just riding the strap, fool.
You're just riding a lap strap.
Just a lap strap.
You're gonna snap your neck back.
Nothing to panic.
I'll catch you at the gas station, but I need to put some go-go juice in the bucket Mazda. Yeah. I'm out.
If there was a child right in front of you, crying in pain from hunger, near death from sickness.
And with the shirt off, go on down in the Gucci slides. You got this guy that's absolutely burnt the fuck. Hey, you see the sticker? Find out you got a leak.
Yeah.
This man is sick. So you know, we out here just living. Look at that hooser, fool. That's a big hooser. Chingao. In other news, haven't talked to you guys for a while. Give you an update on the Mozzie. Your boy's working on a little low PI system. There's a little bit. I need a little bit extra fueling in this rig. So me and the buddy Marky Mark are working on a little auxiliary fueling package. I'm gonna be running an ST manifold with an adapter plate, and I'm gonna drop a Hellcat. Damn, this thing is. I'm gonna be dropping a Hellcat fuel pump inside the tank. So I'll have to get that ordered. Other than that, I think I seen a comment. Someone asking where I got my crash bar done. And it's pretty slick. It goes to the factory mounting points, and then it goes behind the grill. Got this light bar mounted up with it. This is actually custom made, guys. One of our buddies was doing it. Marcus also has a very similar one. But yeah, does the drop. Has tabs up here too that go to the little radiator sport. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yes, sir. But you can take it off, run without it. Anything you want with it. But yeah, that's as far as that goes. Oh, one more thing. I'm gonna be doing the manifolds. I'm gonna be doing a little wastegate hood dump right there. Stay tuned for that, because that's really opening up the car. But yeah. But stay tuned for that. Those videos are coming. I'm working on it. That's a lot of cheddar for your boy. So if you're in the speed gang, you'll know what I'm talking about. So
Let's hope it starts.
I hope it starts too. Oh my God. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. You want me to?
I got it.
Oh, I got it too. We really bump starting this thing right now. Boy, good thing I bring that jumper pack. It's like brand new. I only used it like twice, but we got it on deck today. Let's get on the road though. I'll get you off the gas station. Yes, sir. The Elote station in your local Conoco to get your local 91. Check it out for y'all. Ah, not bad. Good old premium. What's this E85 at? A gallon. 314. Not bad. Not bad. They ain't far. Oh shit. I say not bad. We were looking at almost $5 for my shit. Damn. I think I need to make the switch, to be honest. Yo, this guy fills this shit up. Low fuel cell in the front.
What?
Must be nice to get that cheap shit. I'm out here running fucking 91. Come on, bitch. Got you. Damn, what's up with the screen? Shit waking out. Very nice, sir. Very nice. Oh my god, that is strong.
Let's go to the top.
Bet. Because we ain't going very far. Thankfully. But this is that K20, y'all. If y'all watch the Dino Day. Oh, fuck! Here she is on the street. She's living. Got a little K20 stuffed in the back. I think a license plate supposed to go there, but not in this one. He's got the iPad, the gauges, got the speakers in it. This man did this all himself, y'all. Comfortable ass seats. These X3 seats are really comfortable. I fuck with them. Look at Frank. Look at Frank. Already getting all his munchies. Hey, relax. For real. And of course, this fool got the mini horse in the back, bro. Look at this homie. He still got fucking spider webs and leaves on his shit. What happened to the Stang, fool? Nah, you got scared and didn't want to bring it. That's a shame. That's a shame, bro. That is a fucking shame.
I never scared for the gas, see?
That's a shame, Lewis. I'm really hurt right now.
I'm gonna stop by and pick it up real quick.
Yeah, well, you better. Shit. We got another Elote member. I think I'm the only one not on E85 tonight.
He's gonna run 3 gallons. Lightweight.
That's all you need. You got that big ass dog in the back.
Oh, you mean the mini horse?
The mini horse shit. It's gonna take up some time. I got him. Came off the ground like twice. That was no bueno. Oh my god. That was kind of scary. I highly do not recommend with one hand. promotions for you too. Hopefully my bumper didn't slide off again. Be lit. Rest of the boys. Does still need some air or what?
Over the park.
Over there?
We didn't get invited.
What?
We didn't get invited to a parking spot.
Stupid. Quick intermission break. We'll be right back. Oh, well, made it to our pre-meetup spot. Everything's still intact. Yeah, Mr. Famous Guy Papa right here. The hooter. How's she running? This will stay vibing.
And we broke up in 5th gear. Come on. Hey, 5th gear? That's exactly where it's supposed. I'm gonna get a retune myself.
Y'all heard it. He's already gonna get a retune. Hey, what the fuck?
Yeah, man, I was trying to tell us what to tell you, and this was all like this.
He's all burnt out, huh? He didn't even know what the fuck to do. Hey, thanks. Thank you so much. It could have came off.
I pointed when I seen it.
No, you didn't. You did not point at me at all. Here's this man's app. Check him out. Damn, bro, look at this wrap. And all that carbon fiber on it. Sheesh. Squad. Little Mercedes. I bet you are. Zach needs to park over here with the Genesis. Hey, friend. What's up? Good? Chilling?
Good.
Mr. Zachary took his car out finally.
We're in the Dino.
Two-step it. Lewis, let me hear you. Two-step it. Two-step it. Two-step it. Two-step it. Let me hear it.
Does it still have 2-step?
Yeah, push the clutch down, fool. Come on, quit playing. Hey, jack the whip, homie.
Yeah, spurt off in this thing.
Whoa, the mini horse.
I can't let the fucking goat out.
The goat.
That's me and I leave my car running.
Why don't you turn it off? I have the jumper pack. Is it really that dead?
You heard it at the gas station.
Fuck, buddy. Yellow top.
Fuck that.
Alright. Chill out. You don't gotta get that serious.
It's only got 201.
Right here, pop. Horrible tune. Horrible tune. Oh, I'm gonna clip it in. I'm gonna clip it in.
I'm gonna get retune myself.
Y'all heard it. He's already gonna get a retune. Y'all heard it. Y'all act like you can't unhear it. Alright, fool. What do you think so far?
Oh, I'm getting tired.
You getting tired? Let me see those eyes. Let me see if they're hurting or not. Let me see if they're hurting.
They're not.
Zach over there getting his shit together. Always. Always, look at him. Genesis Coupe, roll out! Nice wrap. I like it. Digging the color. Dang, big Wang gang. Damn, another Genesis? Jesus. Is that like the new car nowadays? Is the Genesis or what? Let me know. I'm really curious. I want to know. Oh my God. I pulled it. Y'all like that? Little single hand action like a goddamn ninja. Damn, look at all the Genesis. 1, 2, Big Wang 3. I think there's a total of 5, I think. You're gonna see a lot more when we get to the damn meetup spot. The heart of the Dino, y'all. The dirty Dino. I got the mask ready. You already know the vibes. Probably won't wear it, but fuck it, you know. Get your vaccination. Psych! I can believe in that shit. What the hell? But then again, y'all can believe what you want to believe. I don't hate on anyone. If you want to go get the vaccine, go get the vaccine, bro. Go get the shot, my G. It's all up to you. It's your body, your decision. You feel me? Look at these temps. This car is not having it, bro. Heat soak really bad. Oh, that's also one other thing I need to do with this car is to upgrade the radiator. Hopefully cool this thing down a little more. I might try the heat wrap tape on like the intercooler piping, but I don't know how much of a difference that makes. That's why I installed this vent, because it was supposed to, you know, get a lot of the heat out, which it does. I mean, it really does. But yeah, probably need a clutch. I don't know if I told you guys that, but yeah. So I've been running this car. I think I'm horsepower wise, I'm somewhere near 400, somewhere near that. That's the butt dyno. I never dyno this car at all. But I've been running the stock clutch on this thing and beating the piss out of it, and it's starting to finally give out on our boy. So that's another thing. Like, see, so I'm telling you guys, like, this is just a process with these builds, you know. I wish I could do everything overnight, but that's just not reality. So one thing, one day at a time, you know what I'm saying? Just check it off the list, check it off the list, check it off the list. But once I get the auxiliary fueling and the manifold on this thing and get the wastegate with the screamer tube out the hood, this thing will really open up, and I think the motor will be a little bit more happy. But yeah, once I get all that done, then I'll be for sure 4. And hopefully by then I can get the car dynoed. So that's the plan. You know, it's gonna take some time, because I do want to dump money into the Ranger as well. Holy shit, it's a big dip. But you know, just having 2 builds and all that is just, you know, it's just not the move sometimes, you know what I'm saying? I think we're like the only 2, me and Ryan, not in Genesis. Little Genesis coupes, bro. The KDM community is strong right now. But we got a nice lineup behind us, though. Sheesh. There you go, boss.
All right.
Thank you. Gotta respect the hustle.
Go ahead for the YouTube. Eat one.
Nah.
Come on, bro.
Let me try it. Let me try it. Doggy treat.
Damn.
Hey, G.
Yeah, that's a fucking proud doggy dad right there. Yeah, bro. Respect the environment, bro.
Fuck, nigga. That shit moist, my boy. She blessed a lot. Come on, fool.
No, don't even shit. Don't even shit.
Hell yeah, it's nice and warm, huh?
Oh, it's
Disgusting.
damn. Okay, sir. Playing no games here, I see. Shit. Got the boopra. Okay. Mr. Evo. Huh? Oh my dear Lord. Brother. Respect. Look at this super right here. Mmm. Yummy. Shit. I fucked heavy with it. What y'all think? What y'all think? Very nice, sir. How did I miss this thing, bro?
I drank all mine.
That is how GTA written all over it. Here goes the Benny's, fool.
The fucking Los Angeles Customs.
Clip it. Clip it. Clip it right here.
Welcome to the LS Car Meet.
Don't play that, that's boring.
We got the fastest cars, trucks, bikes, all of it. Only thing we don't got is beef.
You see her getting a model on? Respect the hustle. Hey, Frank, respect the hustle. Damn, you see him, Frank? He's tucking that lid. Alrighty, senor. Speedy speed. Oh, shit. No need to flex, sir. Up right here.
All these. Ryan's scared of all these.
Hey, you scared of all these for or what? Which one you want first, the Super or the GTR? Let me know. I'll go lock it in for you. Look, this thing is just beautiful. Look at this, just beautiful. You cannot go wrong. Hippie hash too. Damn, you see the light bar on the front, bruh? Good plan.
To secure your information on their website. When you use Google search in a browser,
I wonder if it runs.
we encrypt every search you make, keeping your
I fucks with it.
He just got it.
Yeah?
Yeah, like he just got it. He has a Lexus that he fucking put into the wall.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Dude's nuts.
Does the scooter run? Does the scooter run? Sheesh. And the gas ain't y'all see it.
Security threats before the
Sick ass. Is that a ETR? Followed by the Mustang Louis. Is it chunky, fool? Is it chunky? It's nice. Ooh, I smell E on that bitch too. He's on the elote. Come over, Frank. Getting excited. That's Frank right there. That has you written all over it. Quit playing. You got the 4x4 edition coming in the back.
Lifted. It's clean. That shit got a drag tag on the back. Was with it. It was ready.
Let me see you whip this thing like that, fool, for the one time.
The tacuaches are out there.
Don't play, fool. They're coming out with the tire. No games.
They came to play today.
Damn, let me get a closer look at this bitch. Sheesh, fully caged, my god. I'm for real lacking. Shit's sick. Sheesh. I still approve. Whoa! Just look at this little creeper hiding back here. It's on a tire. Pinchy donut. Alrighty, sir. Oh, I've seen one. There's two in this bitch. God damn. What kind of tire is this man running? Oh, yes, sir. He came out big flexing today. I approve, brother. Stock. Low NA. He better not be on the tire. Oh, my God. Ryan. It's your boy. He's on a tire. He's trying to act up. He's finna act up. I love it. Oh, Gibby. With the fucking nutsack. Sick. What's done to this? Let me check it out. Front mount? Please tell me there's a front mount. Oh, yeah, there is. I see one. Street happy. Okay, sir. Alrighty. I think you should race one of these. What is this one? R6. How much is it? 600?
Yeah.
What is this one?
R3 and R1. 6. There's the R1. I don't know something bigger.
Race this one. Gloomy R6. Damn, bro, I fuck with the Benzo KZ. That's hard. Clickbait. Oh, Ryan.
You said 400 on the bottom.
400. $400 on the bottle.
Like matching torque though. It's like 400 torque.
I don't know, Ryan. I think you need a bottle. I think you need to put your bottle on. You should run him though. Ask him for a run. For reals. Let me get it on camera, my boy. Nah, I still don't think it'd be a race. You'd be gone.
Think so?
Hell yeah. He'd be trying to fight traction. You'd just be clicking gears, gone. Is this like an Evo lineup or what? Is this what I'm seeing? All right. I have to save my boy real quick. His battery took a dump on him.
He's gonna have to go back to stock.
Touch them together, see if it works.
I'm gonna need some luck. I got enough shit connected.
Okay. Yeah.
That like your dick, fool?
Should be on. Yeah. It worked. Play no games, bro. That's why this shit still had a battery charge in here. And that's that. Get that little bitch running. That is gonna conclude everything for tonight, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.
Don't call that little ass place no estate unless it came with a pool in the gate. Check the red before I pull in the gate. All my watches flooded just like a lake. Lately I've been showing up extra late.